Hello, welcome back. Welcome to this 21 video series on Find the Right Career in 21 Days, and this is day 5th. Before we move ahead to our 5th career cluster, let us have a glimpse on what all we covered in last 4 days. So let's have a look. So we have already discussed on agriculture and food science, allied and paramedical sciences, animation, graphics and visual communication, architecture and planning, and today on day 5th we are going to talk about art and design. So as we all know that art and design, all of us, I think every one of us have some art and some interest in decorating things या फिर ऐसा कुछ. लेकिन to make specific career in art and design, you must have you must consider few important things which we are talking about today. All right, so let's get started. So moving ahead, our career cluster for the day is art and design. Now, what is art and design all about? And art and design is a degree studies different visual media like painting, drawing, sculpture, and graphic design. Art and design majors learn basic designing principle, color theory, critical thinking, and artistic techniques. तो हम जो अब तक ये सोचते आए हैं कि आर्ट एंड डिजाइन में क्या है ऐसा, कोई भी उसे कर सकता है, तो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स या फिर अगर आप कोई भी डिग्री कोर्स या कोई डिप्लोमा कोर्स इसमें लेते हैं तो यू हैव टू लर्न अबाउट बेसिक टेक्निक्स एंड एडवांस टेक्निक्स अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर आर्ट फॉर्म जिसकी हम बात करने जा रहे हैं. आर्ट कैन बी एनीथिंग, आर्ट जिसके बारे में हम आगे और ज़्यादा डिटेल में बात करेंगे कि व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स कैन बी इंक्लूडेड इन आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन. सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक. So there are two types of careers which are available in this, which are professional degree courses, which are 3 years degree course, and vocational courses, which are diploma courses, certificate courses, 6 months, year, or 1.5 year courses भी available होते हैं. So you don't have to worry. अगर आपने किसी समय छोड़ दिया है तो you can again go ahead and carry on with your particular vocational careers as well in this particular cluster. Now let's have a look on what are the specialization tracks you can think about in this particular cluster. So moving ahead with it, art and curator, ceramics and glass designer, footwear designer, jewelry designer, vehicle and transport designer, art dealer, craft designer, industrial or product designer, sculptor, visual communication designer, artist, fashion designer, interior designer, textile designer, and visual merchandiser. So there are a lot of options which you can have and opt in this particular career cluster. Now आपने कई बार ऐसे सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि इन पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फुटवेयर में भी कोई डिज़ाइनर हो सकता है, क्योंकि हम लोग मेजरली कुछ कॉमन या फिर फेमस डिज़ाइनर्स को ही याद करते हैं, लाइक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर या फिर फैशन डिज़ाइनर या फिर ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर. But yes, there are various other specialization as well in this particular career cluster. So let's get ahead with what are the subjects requirement या फिर ऐसी कौन सी requirement होगी बेसिक जो आपको इस पर्टिकुलर करियर में ज़रूरी है. तो दिस पर्टिकुलर करियर इज़ अ न्यूट्रल करियर, यानी कि न्यूट्रल करियर मतलब वो करियर जो आप आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स या साइंस किसी भी फील्ड से एंट्री ले सकते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में. And there are no specific subject requirement as far as design and art is concerned. All right. But yes, ऐसा मत सोचना कि कोई specific subject नहीं है, लेकिन there are so many other things or skills which you must have, which we would be talking about in our we would be talking about in coming few minutes. All right. So working environment. Working environment would be mostly indoor. लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स बिकॉज एक पर्टिकुलर डिज़ाइन बनाने के लिए शायद आपको बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाना पड़े और बहुत सारी दिमाग खपाना पड़े. देन दिस वुड बी अ प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड वर्क एज वेल. फ्रीलांसर, सोशल, चैलेंजिंग एंड इनोवेटिव एंड ओपन फॉर न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज़ जो एक बार डिज़ाइन हो जाती है वो बार बार नहीं डिज़ाइन करनी. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट कि कैसे कोई नया डिज़ाइन हो सकता है. सो यू हैव टू मेंटली बी very fluent with your ideas so that you can draw and give it to your clients. Let's talk about the competencies required for this particular career. The competency required are problem solving, critical thinking, fluency of ideas, reasoning, creative, challenging, realistic, spatial ability, artistic, creative design, visualization, originality, enterprising, and works mostly independently, जो अकेले रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले सकता है वैसा कोई, एंड मटेरियल डिजाइन एंड क्राफ्ट. What do you mean by that? अगर आपको कोई भी मटेरियल देते हैं या कोई डिजाइन देते हैं, so you should be creative enough to understand and use it in the way your client need it or your market requires it. So these are the major competencies which are required. There would be many more जो उसको complementary हो सकते हैं, but these are the major ones which we have just discussed. As far as earning and growing opportunities are concerned, designing are taking a peak. अगर आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं इसमें, yes there are present requirements and there is a growing scope as well in different specialization depending upon the specialization. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो हमारे मार्केट में अब नहीं हो रहा है. एवरीवन यहाँ की एक नॉर्मल, अगर हम लोग भी कोई पेयर ऑफ जीन्स भी खरीदते हैं नॉर्मल, तब भी हम उसका डिज़ाइन पैटर्न चेक करते हैं. एक छोटी सी ज्वेलरी भी लेते हैं तो भी चेक करते हैं, फुटवेयर लेते हैं तो भी चेक करते हैं कि ताकि वो कॉमन ना हो. So yes, there is a huge scope of growth in this particular career, and if you're doing well and if your ideas are great enough, you can move ahead at a very faster pace in this particular career. So this was about earning and growing opportunities. Let us discuss about openness for specially abled person. So this is generally open for specially abled persons, acid attack victim, mild disability, mild physical disability, laparoscopy, cured person, cerebral plasma, dwarfism, acid attack victim, low vision, hard of hearing, dyslexia, deaf, specific learning disabilities, and speech and language disability. Because this has nothing to do with you don't have to be on the you don't have to be always work in the front as a front face of the company. So they are open for everyone depending upon again the specialization. Let's talk about the real life heroes. Few of these you may know about them, like Ritu Kumar is a very good designer. She's a fashion designer. Then Gitanjali Dang, Madhavi Subramaniam. So ऐसा नहीं है कि these careers are open only for girls, but yes, there are very famous like Manish Malhotra, very famous designers, male designers as well. Let's go ahead and check with the college university offering this course. National Institute of Design, that is NID, NIFT, Industrial Design Center, IIT. ऐसे भी कुछ कोर्सेज हैं लाइक प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, जो थोड़ी स्किल स्पेसिफिक हैं, एंड कुछ दैट आर कंसिडर्ड अंडर दिस IIT branch of designing. Then Cole Academy and Symbiosis Institute. Other than these also, there are many opportunities and many colleges which are open for designing and art. So you have to choose the one which is best suited as per your requirement and which is best suited as per your locality. And let's talk about the entrance exam. Mostly colleges have their own specific way of getting admissions in the school, but yes, there are few major exams which are IIAT, NIFT, SAT, UCEED and SEED. These are the major examination, entrance examination. But yes, specifically अगर आपको किसी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना है, you can just go ahead and check with that too. So this was the major points which you must consider when you are talking about art and design. Now not only that, and if you're not clear about which is your क्या बोलते हैं which is your niche या फिर which should be the best specialization for you, then don't worry, just comment in the section below and I will be guiding you on that. You can also book a free consultation call. Just go there, click on the link below, fill the form, and you will have access to 1-to-1 free consultation call from a career counselor from me myself. So let's have a look and see you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow in the next video in the next career cluster. Bye bye.